Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them just before I've started the recording. It is because I'd like to show you the actual difference, so the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, we have to enter the settings, which are in this panel. So let's tap on it, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to reset camera settings, so let's tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and we can now see the grid lines, and it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences, camera customization in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.